What's up, guys? My name is Steve with Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. I'm here with William Clack. He owns and runs a franchise in Columbia, South Carolina. He's doing very well. He's back here at the 2022 new franchisee training. Why did you decide to come to this training? You didn't have to. You've already been running a franchise for years.
Well, we're adding another truck this year, so I want my guy to be prepared, help him out in training. Plus, it's always good to come back, get a refresher course, see the stuff that needs improving, and hopefully, keep going with it.
Cool. What do you think about our training? How do you like it so far? We're talking about sales, some money. We went through some of your personal sales of your parts. Some of the other guys, what do you think about that? Do you like the way we present it?
I do. It's easy to understand. Y'all teach it very well.
I think we gave you some pointers that you can use moving forward.
Yeah. A lot of helpful stuff, y'all.
Good. Yeah, we try. Listen, we try to teach you, help you, and all the other guys, and really dial down on the things that matter. The sales, the part sales, the profitability. Try not to waste your time. Hopefully we didn't waste your time, right? With any boring stuff. Last question I had for you is, I know we helped you out about 2 years ago with getting a machine down to you, and what was that process? How would you say that process?
It's very easy. Y'all did all the work. Y'all showed up with a machine. Y'all actually helped me put the system in that day. I went back the next day and helped, finish it up, tidy it up. And from then on, it was moving.
Cool. Yep. Will's banging in a ton of installs, a ton of service work, backflow test, and you got your second truck. He's going to be doing backflow tests, so he's going pretty fast. So thank you for coming to training. Appreciate it, and thank you guys for watching.